So here's the heart of the program. 4 phases. Phase 1 is about reducing major disruptors and giving your gut space to reset. Phase 2 is about calming inflammation. Phase 3 is about rebuilding and nourishing, helping beneficial organisms thrive and supporting the gut lining. Phase 4 is restoration and maintenance, making what works sustainable. Why does this order matter? Because if you try to rebuild too early, for example, adding lots of fiber, fermented food, or many supplements, you can sometimes worsen symptoms in a sensitive gut. So when we start with the basics, we calm the system, and only then will we add. And one more important point, you can always repeat a week. If week 1 is too intense, you can do it again gently. That's not failure, it's wisdom. So next we begin with week 1.